Next important thing, what is the thing we are going to discuss today is based upon the constancy of ratio of changes between variables. What is the thing? Based upon types of correlation. What is the thing? Types of correlation. We have seen yesterday itself types of correlation. We are having first one type, second one type, third one type. First one type we have finished each and everything, and second one type. First one type we have seen positive correlation, negative correlation over, simple correlation, multiple correlation and partial correlation over. And next third important thing, this one is third important thing, based upon the constancy of ratio of change between variables. This is the type 3 correlation. This type 3 correlation can be classified under two important things. First one, linear correlation. What is the thing? First one, linear correlation, and second one, non-linear correlation. Linear, from the topic itself, don't mug up each and everything, understand and write. Linear correlation means it is nothing but any one variable changes and another variable also changes in the same proportion. What is the keyword? Same proportion, another variable also changes. We can call it as it is a linear, more or less same. And non-linear means if any one variable changes but another one variable, it does not changes in the same proportion, it may vary. Sometime it may increase, sometime it may fall. We can call it as it is a non-linear correlation. Is it clear or not? See the explanation. When the amount of changes of one variable tends to bear a changes in another variable in same proportion, we can call it as a linear correlation. For example, the price increases, demand what will happen? Price increase means what will happen? Demand it fall. Price increases from 50 to 60, clear? And the demand fall from 50 to 40. What is the variation between these two things? 50 to 60 is also 10. 50 to 40 also 10. Yes or no? The relationship between these two things, it is 60 minus 50 and more or less same. Yes or no? So here you have to write 40. 40 to 30. Okay, wow. So the difference between these two things is 10. So what will happen? This is the term we can call it as it is a linear correlation. If one thing increases or decreases, another variables also increases or decreases in the same proportion, then we can call it as it is a linear correlation. Next on non-linear correlation. There will be no different changes. For example, when the amount of changes in one variable does not bear a changes in another variable, it is not same. Sometime it may increase, sometime it may fall. For example, we just take into account the price increases from 100 to 200. The quantity demanded, it will 50 to 60. Here the difference we can take into account 10 only, but here that will be 100. So any one variable it will changes, but it does not bring the same proportion. It will be in different proportion. We can call it as it is a linear and non-linear correlation. Is it clear? And next topic, what is the thing we are going to discuss? Very, very important thing. Listen very carefully. Methods of studying correlation. We have seen the different types of correlation. The three important types. So, positive correlation, negative correlation, simple correlation, multiple correlation, partial correlation, linear correlation, non-linear correlation. All are the different types of correlation over. Now, what is the thing we are now seeing is that methods of studying correlation. What are the four important method of studying correlation means? First one, the method of studying correlation can be classified under four important things. What are the things means? Scatter diagram, graphic method, Pearson coefficient of correlation. Next one, method of least square. What are the four methods? Very, very important thing. Scatter diagram, graphic method, Pearson coefficient of correlation, method of least square. And we will see the remaining things, each and every explanation, what are the advantages, disadvantages, each and everything in the next class. And that's the end of the class. Take care all. Thank you.